Are you looking for a comprehensive home workout routine? Welcome to your one-stop solution that is going to change how you look at fitness. In the next quarter of an hour, we'll walk through a well-rounded workout routine that you can do right at home. No fancy gym equipment, no expensive memberships, just you and the comfort of your own space. This routine is designed to hit all the major muscle groups, starting with a warm-up, moving on to core exercises, followed by strength training and wrapping up with cool-down stretches. We'll be focusing on form, safety, and most importantly, consistency. Along the way, you'll also pick up some handy tips on weight loss strategies, including the incorporation of high-intensity interval training, maintaining a consistent workout schedule, and the importance of healthy eating. So, are you ready to transform your fitness journey? Stay tuned to discover an effective home workout routine that can be done in 15 minutes. Every good workout starts with a proper warm-up. That's right, folks, no shortcuts here. Warming up primes your body for the workout ahead. It gets your heart rate up, loosens your muscles, and increases your body temperature, which can help reduce the risk of injuries. Let's kick things off with some light cardio. Start with jogging in place. This is a great way to pump up your heart rate. Imagine you're running through a beautiful park with the wind in your hair and the sun on your face. Keep it up for about a minute. Next up, we've got jumping jacks. Think of it as a full-body wake-up call. With every jump, you're telling every muscle in your body, hey, it's time to get moving. Do these for another minute, and you'll feel the energy coursing through your veins. Now that your heart is pumping, let's move on to dynamic stretches. These are not your old-school hold and stretch moves. They're active, they're engaging, and they're designed to prepare your body for movement. Start with arm circles. Extend your arms out to your sides and make large circles. First forward, then backward. It's like you're drawing giant circles in the air. This helps to loosen up your shoulder joints and warm up your upper body. Next, we've got leg swings. Stand next to a wall or a chair for balance and swing one leg forward and backward. This is a great way to warm up your hips and legs. Finally, we'll do some hip rotations. Imagine you're hula hooping. This helps to loosen up your hips and lower back. Remember, the goal of a warm-up is not to exhaust you, but to prepare you for the workout ahead. So take it easy, listen to your body, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Now that your body is warmed up, let's move on to the core exercises. A strong core is essential for overall fitness, and that's not just because it helps you rock that summer look. A strong core is your body's powerhouse. It provides stability, balance, and power for virtually everything you do. It's the foundation where all movements begin and are controlled, so let's get to work on strengthening that all-important core. The first exercise on our list is the classic plank. This is a fantastic full-body workout, but it's especially great for your core. To perform a plank, position yourself in a push-up position, but rest your weight on your forearms instead of your hands. Keep your body straight and hold this position for as long as you can, aiming for about 30 seconds to start. Remember to breathe throughout the exercise and keep your gaze on the floor to maintain a neutral neck. Now, let's add some variety with side planks. Balance on one forearm with your body in a straight line and your other hand reaching up towards the sky. This will target your obliques, the muscles on the side of your core, as well as your shoulder stabilizers. Aim to hold this for 15 seconds on each side. Next up, we have bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and your legs raised and bent at 90 degrees. Now, alternate touching your elbows to the opposite knee, like you're pedaling a bike. This is an excellent exercise for the rectus abdominis and the obliques. Aim for 10 to 15 reps on each side. Our next exercise is the Russian twist. Sit on the ground with your knees bent, pull your abs to your spine and lean back a few inches while keeping your back straight. Now, twist your torso to the right, then to the left to complete one rep. This exercise is great for your obliques and your balance. Do 10 to 15 reps on each side. Lastly, we move on to leg raises. Lie flat on your back, legs straight. Keeping your lower back pressed into the floor, lift your legs until they make a 90-degree angle with the floor. Slowly lower your legs back down, stopping just above the floor. This targets the lower abs, often a tricky area to hit. Aim for 10 to 15 reps. Remember, the key to these exercises is control. It's not about speed or the number of reps, but about slow, controlled movements. Keep breathing, don't rush, and if you need to take breaks, that's perfectly fine. It's more important that these exercises are done correctly rather than quickly. And then there you have it. With these exercises, you're well on your way to building a stronger, more powerful core. And remember, consistency is key. Keep at it and you'll see improvements in no time. Now that your core is fired up, it's time for some strength training. Strength training is key to building muscle and burning fat. This statement is not just a fitness mantra, but an undeniable truth. Now we're going to delve into some exercises that will help you strengthen your muscles and rev up your metabolism. Let's begin with a classic, push-ups. These are a compound exercise, meaning they work multiple muscle groups at once. Start in a high plank position, hands directly under your shoulders. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. Keep your hips level and your core engaged. If you find this challenging, there's no shame in modifying the exercise. Try knee-assisted push-ups, which follow the same form but with knees resting on the floor. Moving on, let's activate those leg muscles with squats. Stand with feet hip-width apart, toes facing forward. Bend at the knees and hips as if sitting back into a chair until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Remember to keep your chest up and your knees behind your toes. If you have dumbbells at hand, hold one in each hand at shoulder level to add an extra challenge. Next up are lunges, another excellent lower body exercise. Stand tall, take a step forward with one foot, and lower your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Push back up to the starting position and alternate legs. This exercise not only strengthens your legs but also improves your balance. Finally, we'll target the back muscles with dumbbell rows. If you don't have a dumbbell, don't worry. You can use any weighted object that you can grip comfortably. Stand behind a chair and place one hand on it for support. Hold the weight in your other hand. Bend slightly at the waist, keeping your back straight. Pull the weight up to your chest, keeping your elbow close to your side, then lower it back down. Remember, the key to effective strength training is maintaining proper form. It's better to perform fewer reps correctly than to rush through a set with poor form. Also, don't forget to breathe. Exhale as you exert force. Inhale as you return to the starting position. This breathing pattern helps to stabilize your core and maintain your energy levels. Strength training can be challenging, especially if you're new to it, but trust me, it's worth it. Not only will you build lean muscle and boost your metabolism, but you'll also improve your bone health, balance, and coordination. Plus, the feeling of accomplishment after a tough workout is unbeatable. Now let me remind you that strength training is just one piece of the fitness puzzle. It's important to balance it with cardio, flexibility exercises, and a healthy diet. And don't forget, rest is just as important. Your muscles need time to recover and grow after a workout. So there you have it, a selection of strength training exercises that you can do at home, with or without equipment. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. It's okay if you can't do a full push-up or squat right away. What matters is that you're moving, you're trying, and you're committed to improving your health and fitness. Well done on completing the strength training. Now let's cool down. Cooling down is just as important as the workout itself. It's like a gentle kiss goodbye after an intense dance. It allows your body to gradually transition from an exertive state to a resting or near resting state. Allowing your heart rate and breathing to slow down in a controlled way is a key part of this process. It's also a moment to reward your body with some well-deserved relaxation. Now let's ease into our cool down phase with a soothing hamstring stretch. This stretch helps release tension in your lower back and legs after all those squats and lunges. As you reach down to touch your toes, remember to keep your knees straight. Breathe deeply, hold the stretch for about 20 seconds and let the tension melt away. Next up, we have the quad stretch. This one targets the front of your thighs, the muscles that have been working hard during those lunges. To do this, grab your ankle and gently pull your foot towards your buttock. Make sure to keep your knees close together and your body upright. Hold this for about 20 seconds on each leg. Moving up the body, let's give some love to those shoulders. They've been hard at work too, especially during those push-ups and rows. Extend one arm across your body and use the other arm to apply some gentle pressure above the elbow. Remember, this should feel like a soothing stretch, not a painful pull. Again, hold for about 20 seconds on each side. Next, let's stretch out those triceps, the muscles at the back of your arms. Raise one arm, bend it at the elbow so that your hand is reaching towards the opposite shoulder blade. With the other hand, gently hold the elbow and apply a slight pressure. You'll feel a nice stretch along the back of your arm. Hold this for about 20 seconds on each side. Now to wrap up our cool down, let's open up the chest with a beautiful chest opener stretch. Interlock your hands behind your back, straighten your arms and gently lift them. You'll feel your chest expanding, your heart opening. It's like you're making space for all the good energy you've cultivated during this workout. Remember, cooling down is not just about stretching the muscles you've worked, it's also about taking a moment to appreciate your body, to thank it for what it has achieved today. It's about grounding yourself, reconnecting with your breath and feeling that wonderful post-workout glow. So take a deep breath in, slowly breathe out and let go of all the tension. Feel the calmness seeping into your muscles, replacing the intensity of the workout. And as you slowly come out of this cool down phase, carry this sense of calm and accomplishment with you. Let it remind you of your strength, your resilience and your ability to push through. That's it for today's workout. Let's wrap up. Remember, every day is a step closer to your goals. You're doing great, and every effort counts. Until next time, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live in. Congratulations on completing this home workout routine. You've just taken a significant step towards better health and fitness right from the comfort of your home. This routine, designed to be efficient and balanced, included a warm-up, core exercises, strength training, and finally cool-down stretches. Let's take a quick recap. We kickstarted with light cardio and dynamic stretches, prepping your body for the workout. We then moved on to core exercises, focusing on planks, bicycle crunches, Russian twists, and leg raises. These exercises are key to developing a strong, stable core, which serves as the foundation for all other movements. Next, we dove into strength training with push-ups, squats, lunges, and dumbbell rows. These exercises are crucial for building muscle and increasing overall strength. Remember, you can always modify these movements to suit your fitness level. We concluded the workout with cool-down stretches targeting your hamstrings, quads, shoulders, triceps, and chest. Never underestimate the importance of a proper cool-down. It helps in muscle recovery and reduces the risk of injury. The key to seeing progress with this routine is consistency. Make it a part of your daily routine. As you build strength and endurance, challenge yourself by increasing the number of repetitions or incorporating weights. But remember, exercise is just one part of the equation. A balanced diet plays an equally important role in weight loss and overall health. It's crucial to fuel your body with the right nutrients to recover from workouts and maintain energy levels. And while this routine is a great start, don't limit yourself. Explore other forms of exercises and workouts to keep things interesting and avoid hitting a plateau. Most importantly, listen to your body and move at your own pace. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness content. Thanks for working out with us today.